As you know, La Roche-Posay has designated January 21st as their National Hyaluronic Acid Day. The reason that they've done that is because hyaluronic acid is so critical for skin health because it provides a nice dewy glow, it minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's a natural sugar that the skin produces. This natural sugar is going to trap in moisture and really act as a sponge for the skin. The main things to keep in mind with hyaluronic acid are that you want to try to actually purchase it in a bottle to give your skin back what it's lost over time. The Hyalo B5 serum, I love it because it actually has the vitamin B5 in it as well as the hyaluronic acid. So you get a nice power punch, something that has two really important ingredients in one. The key ways to apply it would be to apply it on top of freshly moisturized skin, cleansed skin that is actually damp. You want to put 3 to 4 drops, kind of moisturize it into your skin here on your hands and press it in onto your face. Something to keep in mind about La Roche-Posay is that they have actually a beauty center in France where they use the therapeutic water and infuse that into so many of their products, and it's actually been used in their Hyalo B5 as well. It also is in the thermal spring water. Keep in mind that you can find everything out that we just discussed about these products on larocheposay.us. Also on January 21st, you can go to the website and put in LOVE HA and receive 20% off products $65 and over.